A referral program is a marketing strategy where customers recommend your business to others and earn rewards for it. And since it's built on personal trust, it often outperforms traditional advertising. In most cases, this strategy works like this. A user, called the referrer, receives a unique referral link or code and shares it with referrals, like friends, colleagues, and followers. When they follow this link and complete a target action, like buying something or signing up on your website, the referrer automatically receives a reward based on the program's terms and conditions. With SendPulse, you can launch and manage a referral program through chatbots across Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and other messaging apps. Let's break it down step by step. A referral program in SendPulse-powered chatbots can run automatically. It includes 3 steps. First, a user receives a personal referral link and shares it with friends. Next, your chatbot captures new subscribers, identifies who referred them, and awards bonus points. Finally, the user can check their balance and redeem points for rewards. Our template library has you covered at every stage. The Refer a Friend flow generates a user's personal referral link. Referral Counter tracks signups through that link and credits points to the referrer. And the Checking Referral Balance flow shows the current balance and lets users claim their rewards. You'll need to copy these flows into your chatbot one by one and customize them. But first, let's add a few variables to your chatbot audience so that your referral program runs smoothly. Go to the Audience tab in your SendPulse-powered chatbot. Create 2 variables, inviter of string type and invited count of number type. The inviter variable will save the ID of the user who invited a new subscriber. It is filled in automatically when someone joins your chatbot through a referral link. The invited count variable tracks how many friends a user has referred. Its value increases every time a new person subscribes through that link. Now let's talk about the flows. Flow 1, Refer a Friend. In the chatbot section, go to the template library and select the flow named Referral Program, Refer a Friend. With this flow, you can generate a personal referral link and outline your program conditions. Copy and paste it to your SendPulse-powered chatbot. In the template, you'll find a message outlining referral program terms, followed by another message with the user's personal referral link. Edit the message to fit your program. Lay out the rules, encourage users to share their link, then list the rewards and the number of referrals needed to unlock them. Next, edit the referral link. Its format depends on your chatbot's platform, like Facebook, Instagram, or WhatsApp. For a detailed breakdown on how to create these links, follow the self-help guide linked in the description. For instance, a WhatsApp chatbot link will look like this. Here, bot owner phone number is the phone number linked to your WhatsApp chatbot. The flow ID parameter identifies the referral template flow triggered for a new subscriber. You can find it in the address bar of your chatbot builder. We'll cover this parameter in a moment. The flow only starts when a contact sends a predefined message, so the text parameter in the link is required. The default message is start, but you can customize it to your preferences. Next, add the inviter variable and assign the contact ID value. This system variable automatically pulls the referrer's unique ID and adds it to the link. As a result, every user receives a personal referral link they can share with others. When a new user follows the link and subscribes to your chatbot, the inviter variable automatically saves the ID of the user who referred them. Next, move on to tracking referrals. To do this, you'll need the following chatbot flow. The second flow records every new referral and tracks the bonus points awarded to the referring user. It starts automatically when a new subscriber joins your chatbot through your personal referral link. To link this flow to the subscription start event, head to the chatbot builder and copy the flow ID from the address bar. Then paste it into the referral link, replacing the flow ID placeholder in your Refer a Friend flow. Now let's see the referral tracking flow in action. When a new user joins your chatbot through the referral link and starts a conversation, they'll see a welcome message. You can customize this message if needed. Next, the filter element checks 2 conditions. It looks for a value in the inviter variable to confirm the contact came through a referral link. Then it checks if they've already been counted. To avoid double counting, assign the invited tag to new users. Add this tag to your chatbot audience beforehand so it appears on the list. This feature is available with a paid plan. Next, your chatbot pulls the referrer details and reads the invited count variable of that contact to track the total number of users they referred. To get this element running, you'll need to generate an API key. You can do this in your account's general settings under the API tab. Name your key, copy it, and save it. If you lose or forget to copy it, simply generate a new one. In the authorization header, paste your API key after the word bearer. When the element executes, the invited count value will appear in the response field. Save it in a temporary variable called temp with the type set to number. You can create it right there in the builder. Next, go to the action element, select the set variable option, and add one to the temp value to update the referral count. Next, send the updated counter value back to the referrer's account using another API request. Add your API key to the authorization header. When the element executes, the invited count in the referrer's account will go up by 1. Once the counter is updated, you can add a message encouraging the new referral to get their own referral link. For privacy reasons, make sure to delete the temporary variables, including the referrer ID and the counter. The referral counter flow runs in the background. When a new subscriber receives a welcome message, the inviter's referral count is updated automatically. The final step is giving users a way to check their balance and redeem it for rewards. The final flow in the program is check-in referral balance. It gives subscribers a clear view of their earned referral points and lets them claim their reward as soon as they reach the threshold. Set up the filter element to check if the user has enough points to claim their reward. Then edit the message elements to let them know the outcome. Once the gift is awarded, subtract the spent points from the invited count. Simply select the Insert Variables checkbox in the Set Variable Value action. This way, after redeeming a reward, the user's balance drops by the points spent, and they can kick off a new round of referrals. To give referrers access to their balance, set up a keyword trigger, something like referral balance, and link it to this flow. A referral program is one of those rare tools where everyone wins. Your business gets new customers at a lower cost, and your users earn rewards for spreading the word about your brand. Build yours today with SendPulse's Chatbot Builder and start driving more growth with your existing audience. And subscribe to our channel for more practical marketing and business insights.